welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we have a very lovely gangster vehicle. We have a Lexus LS400. As you guys know, these have the Toyota 1UZ FE motors in them, those big old V8s. Now, we've equipped our dual universal muffler kit on this vehicle. We also did some straight pipes down the middle as well. We cut out some of the resonators and such. And as you guys know, these cars are luxury vehicles, so it's nice to have the valve flexibility in a car that's from the 90s. Now, from factory also, these cars came with little point down tips out the back. But for us, we did something a little bit different, so I'll show you around back. So as you can see here, we decided to do some quad tips. I think it looks great. Obviously, it sounds even better. So throughout this video, we're gonna show you all of these sound characteristics. We're gonna do revs, startup, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, just so you know exactly what your Lexus LS400 would sound like with our universal mufflers. Let's get to the sound. Alrighty folks, we are inside the LS400. As you can see, it's a very nice interior. This car's kept very, very well. Got a freshly wrapped steering wheel here. I think it fits very well with this car. It's very luxurious. Valves are open right now, so as you can hear, there's a bit of drama behind us, but I'll close them up. Huge sound change when you close the valves. Thing goes back to being bone stock, even with the straight pipes underneath the car. Show you guys the sound change right here. So we got the valves closed. Open, closed, open. You can clearly hear the difference. Valve's open right now. Give you guys some sound. Hear that downshift there? Some good sound. For $600 for the dual universal kit, you really can't beat the flexibility.